dininay ni Speaker Romualdez, and he is still presumed innocent. No, the prosecution has to prove his guilt beyond reasonable doubt. No, so hindi porke na pangalanan siya na already is guilty. No, it doesn't happen that way. No, so diyan naman sa Blue Ribbon, hopefully marami silang mapupulot diyan, marami silang ma-discover dyan na makatulong sa ating ICI. Dyan talaga sa ICI ang pupuntahan ng lahat, especially na in the next few weeks, ang ating Senado and Kongreso will be preoccupied with the budget process. No? Ang importante karon, palagay ko, lalo na Senado at sa lower house, na isiguro na walang mga sinanigans, walang mga sindikato dyan sa Bicameral Conference Committee, no, na talagang susundin ang budget as proposed by the Chief Executive, no.